Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple, natural and very effective remedy for a body scrub and a facial scrub that will help exfoliate your skin, give you a radiant and much younger look. If this is your first time stopping by, please click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. And if you find this video interesting and useful, give us a huge thumbs up if you like it and share it with your friends and loved ones. Lemon is rich in antioxidant properties. It's rich in antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that is going to help get rid of any kind of inflammation, get rid of all the dark scars from your skin. It's going to exfoliate your skin, give you a radiant look, and it also contains toning properties that is going to lighten up your complexion, give you a much brighter and younger look. Avocado is rich in vitamin E and C. Avocado contains so many nutrients and minerals that will nourish and moisturize and revitalize your skin. Avocado can suit any kind of sunburn on your skin, and it also helps clear bad breath. Remedy is egg. Egg is rich in so many nutrients and minerals. Egg is also very rich in protein. Egg is very nourishing and is going to help suit your skin. It's going to help nourish your skin and give you a much radiant, glowing skin. We'll wash our avocado pear. So we just slice it. We'll just take that all into the mortar. If you have a blender, you can just blend this in your blender. And the next thing we're doing is to match the avocado pear. Get our egg white, because it's just the egg white we'll be needing for this remedy. So I'll just go ahead and break this. One tablespoon. And 2 tablespoons. We'll mix this together. We'll mix it till completely combined. So our egg white and lemon mixture is ready. So what we'll do now, we'll just empty our avocado pear into the lemon and egg white mixture. So right now we're going to mix all the ingredients together to form a very nice and smooth paste. This body and facial scrub is very suitable for those with very dry and scaly skin. The lemon in it is going to help exfoliate and get rid of all the dead skin cells, and the proteinous egg white is going to revitalize your skin and supply your skin with all the necessary nutrients. The avocado is going to help tone you, moisturize your skin, and give you a radiant and younger look. So guys, this is our body and facial scrub for dry and scaly skin. It's ready. So now, as for the application, you just massage it into your skin. Massage it for 15 minutes. Massage every area of your body and your face. You can wear it as a mask. Massage into your skin pores. So you apply this on your hand, you massage into your pores for 15 minutes. You allow it to sit on you for 30 minutes. Then you wash it off with water. Repeat this twice in a week for about 3 to 4 weeks, and you're going to get an excellent result. You wash it off gently with water. All I have to show you for today. Please do try this at home and leave your comments in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting and useful, please share it with your friends and loved ones. If you liked it, give us a huge thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. Click on the subscribe button below so that you'll be notified when we upload new and useful videos on this channel. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.